excuse me, the one where I was given the win by the special trading card from Captain Coinman. I'll do that as part of that video. And here we go. The next one is the next coloured coloured coin from the Harry Potter series. It's the first one of this year. It's the Dumbledore, and we just get that out, and I have several. I think 3 in all of the blue card with the Cupro Nickle. So I'll just leave 2 of them there. One of the 3 will go into my blue card collection. Another one of the 3 will be cut out and taken out of this cardboard prison, as I've heard it referred to in the past, and will be flipped and put into my date run. The third one, I'm not sure yet. I do have a collection of coins in the blue card format that I have extras of that are there for giveaways and such like, so it may well be that when we finish and I do my next giveaway, the Harry Potter, maybe the complete set, will be a prize. So, Cupro Nickle, very good. It's got the 25 and lightning on in the area, but we'll put those to one side and we'll concentrate on the coloured one in the bunk pack. The difference on this one compared to the previous 2, of course, is that we have King Charles III as the monarch. Here we go with the actual what's in the card. We have the 25 years of magic. Please stop this and pause it at any point to allow you to read the full amount. We then have a write-up about Professor Dumbledore, and then finally we have the headmaster of Hogwarts. We have on the back, or on the area where you got very similar to what Dumbledore coloured picture looks like, we have the hologram of the 25 years of Harry Potter, and we have a small write-up about Professor Dumbledore. Welcome to a new year at Hogwarts. Before we begin our banquet, I would like to say a few words, and here they are: Newit, Bumble, Blubber, Oddment, Tweak, whatever that means. I think you have to be a Harry Potter fan to understand that one. We then have a small write-up about Professor Dumbledore, coin specifications on the back. So, first of all, let's take a look at the head and let's get in close. Whoops, a bit too far there. There we go. We have the portrait of Charles III. The first time on this particular set, and you're going to get a mixed set of 2 of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II and 2 of Charles III, due to the Queen's death late on last year. So we have the portrait. It's facing the opposite way to his mother, the Queen. Okay, let's look at the colour side. I think this one looks quite good actually. It has Professor Dumbledore sat at his desk. You have the 25, I think you can see quite clearly there, or I can at this angle. And you have Albus Dumbledore going across the top. And we have, I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. Oh, it's a piece of dirt. I'm not sure what that is. When you look there, the little gold thing, it is actually, if you have a look on here, it is actually a coin of some description. What do I think of this? I think this pops far more than that, and you can see far more detail. Look at the difference in the detail. I think in this occasion, because it's not a full colour version where the whole background is also coloured in, this is far more effective, say, than, for instance, the snowman last December, where the whole coin was coloured. The whole face of the coin, it looked like somebody had taken a sticker and just stuck it onto the coin rather than it being a coloured coin. It looked artificial. This doesn't. This splash of colour that we have here lifts the whole coin, in my opinion. I like this one. I think this one's my favourite so far of the three of them, simply because it's the Harry Potter one doesn't look quite, it looks a very basic drawing in comparison to this. This has a lot more about it. There's it seems to be a lot more about the portraits than there is compared to the Harry Potter one. That was the first one in the series. And the train, when you're comparing a person to the train, you're not got the same sort of you either like one or the other. Personally, I think this one's the best one of the three so far, and will probably be my favourite of the set. I've seen the school one, or the outline of the school one, and it's a bit like the train one. It's not quite what I would have liked to have seen in the Harry Potter set. I would have preferred to see maybe one of the other main characters like Ron or Hermione instead of the school and possibly the train. Or perhaps I hope there will be other series of these and we can include things like the villains. We could include the mythical animals, not just the ones that the main characters have, like Hedwig the owl. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the monsters that they face during their journey, like the double-headed dragon and the double-headed dog, the dragon's a big snake. I think they would be a fantastic series of coins. Whether they should, if they do another series, have another Harry Potter or not, like they've done with both the Pooh and the Peter Rabbit series, I'm not too sure. I don't think it needs it. I think Harry Potter as a unit would be very good. He doesn't need to have him in every set, every full set. You might do something similar where you might have maybe 2 or 3 characters on the one coin. I don't know. I'd like to see them have another two, maybe 3 sets, like they did with the Beatrix Potters. I think this is a stronger franchise than the Beatrix Potter for children of the more modern generation, because they're more likely to know Harry Potter than they are Beatrix Potter. So that's my view. Tell me down below whether you agree or not. I will hope to see you very shortly for the next video. If you enjoyed this, please put a comment below. I look forward to meeting up with all of you again in a very short period of time. And until we do meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and until we meet up again, from me, bye-bye. Ta-da now.